Hello. Today what I wanted to do is I wanted to go over my survival hunter's day pouch. Now this here is designed for just a short trip into the woods, not going too far and such. If I plan on going far into the woods, then I have a backpack that helps with my needs for survival and just for what I want to do out there. So this here is just a small pack. It's a belt pouch. And I'm going to show you how I got it set up and why. First off, this little pouch on the side. This provides me with a little bit extra space if I wanted to, because this is my water bottle pouch. I carry water with me, and I have means to gather water and purify it if need be. Also, this little pouch here, I carry a bandana in here as well as a spork. And I do not have my food in here right now, but that I didn't bring out because that's your own comfort zone. Certain people like certain things. Now, packages of instant oatmeal I could put in here. I could put in cup of soups in here. I could put in Cliff Bars. Many, many different items. That there can help keep up your morale and your energy if you did become lost out here. Also, just for a snack out here, I would recommend saving some for emergency only, and also when I get a chance to keep my water bottle topped up. Now you can add a water filter in here so you can keep your water bottle topped up. What I have in here for that, I was thinking about what I wanted for water. Now I have a water bottle filter system that I just have to go scoop up the water, screw on the top, and drink. That is a very good option. But I decided on my stainless steel water bottle because now I can cook soups in this. I can, have hot teas in this, coffee and so on with this bottle, where I couldn't with the plastic water bottle with a filter. So if I'm just looking for water, then the other option is great. Plastic water bottle, fill it up, and as I'm walking along, I could just keep filling it up when I come to a water source, and I'll always have it full. That's a very good option. This one here, if I fill it, I've got to drink it, kind of thing. I can fill it again, but then I would have to purify it once again, and so on and so forth. But it gives me the option, if I'm cold, I can have hot drinks or a hot meal. Next is this little pouch. Now this has a hank of bank line. It has 2 ferro rods and a knife sharpener in this little pouch. So that gives me some fire options, plus cordage, multiple uses, but I also have my knife sharpener. On this side, I have a new survival knife that I made. It was just a quick one that I could use. And this is my personal knife. It's been working sweet so far. I didn't do much to the scales right now. They're just on there. And basically they're not all polished up and such, because this is a beater. This one is a sweet, sweet knife. Now, of course, this starts to weigh something when you start putting all this on. That knife alone almost weighs a pound, right? But it's distributed over your hips. So myself, I don't even feel it after, a few yards of walking, really. Gonna open up this front pouch. I have a headlamp with batteries in it. I have actually put a piece of paper between one terminal, so it does not turn on right now until I remove that paper. So it just ensures that I don't accidentally leave it on in my pack. Also have a large hank of bank line as well for multi-purpose. And in here is a little survival kit in itself. I've got water purification tablets with bags to collect my water. I've got storm matches in here, plus some fire starters, as well as a survival blanket for shelter if need be. So this is what's in the front pouch. I'm very heavy on fire making, and that is my shelter there. I've got better shelters for sure in my backpack. This is just quick emergency shelter. Now in this pouch here, one of the side pouches, what I have in here is a compass, as well as a whistle, and just because I may need them, this is medical scissors. Okay, so that's what's in that pouch. A whistle is very important, and a compass can help me find my direction. On the other side, I have this little Altoids tin. It's got a lighter in there and also fire starters. Like I said, very heavy on fire. You know, I've got a lot on here. I've always got my wallet that has fire making as well. So very heavy on fire. Now the main pouch here, what I have in here is my Baco Laplander, a small first aid kit, as well as some, I believe this is, oh, not sure what it is, but it's braided fishing line. I think it's like 20 pound or such, which I can use for multiple uses as well. So these are just some items that might give you some ideas to throw in your own kit. You always make these kits up to be useful in your own area and your own skill set. Now I also have another knife in here, a pocket knife, just in case I would lose my main knife. So this is just some items, like I said. So if I'm going on a quick little hunt or something like that, I can throw this on, and I'll at least have some items on me if I did become lost or I got stuck out there. So just quick video just to show you some items that I find is important for me to carry. And stay safe out there and take care. All the best.